Hello friends, it's Spence, VP of Sales and Marketing for Meridian Medical USA. And if you're looking for me this week, you'll find me in Valencia, California, which is situated 45 minutes northwest of downtown Los Angeles in the Santa Clarita Valley. Thanks to Dr. Nariman Nassiri, a glaucoma specialist here in Southern California, Meridian Medical Lasers is now truly coast to coast because he is the first owner of an MR Q SLT in Southern California and the West Coast. And he asked us of all his options to be a part of his new practice, Nova Eye Institute. I just did the install, and so the place is all done. I saw it a few months back, and there were still studs on the wall. And so I'm gonna give you a quick look at the practice, and hopefully if you live in the area of Santa Clarita or in Valencia or in this area of Southern California, you come see him. He's fantastic. Let's take a look. What's your name?
Dr. Tallier.
Fantastic. How long have you been at the practice?
We just started about 3 weeks ago, actually.
Awesome. And how's it been so far?
So far, so good. We're just, trying to get our name out, Nova Eye Institute, and we're hoping to see some patients relatively soon.
Cool. Hey, well, you saw the MR Q SLT for the first time today. What'd you think?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. Unlike anything I've ever seen, honestly, because the optics were amazing on the trial run.
Well, good. Well, hopefully Dr. Nassiri uses it a lot and is able to treat a lot of patients with it. Thanks so much, Doc.
Thank you.